7 weight loss drinks that can be made at home with ease. This video is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. Benefits of weight loss drinks. The advantages of making weight loss beverages at home are that they allow you to indulge on healthy drinks all of the time while also assisting you in maintaining a beautiful body shape. Because it is well recognized that adequate hydration is essential in the battle against a variety of diseases, the consumption of fat-burning beverages becomes even more necessary during dieting days. These weight loss-friendly beverages boost metabolism, satisfy hunger, and improve satiety. Top 7 healthy drinks for weight loss. 1. Apple cider vinegar, good for weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is beneficial for weight loss because the crushed apple used in its production converts sugar into alcohol. 2. Dandelion tea. The plant not only contains a variety of nutrients, but the tea brewed from it, dandelion tea, has shown to be effective in weight loss. 3. Green tea to burn the extra fat. Yet another effective drink for weight loss is green tea. The presence of caffeine and catechin makes the green tea one of the active weight loss drinks. 4. Black coffee for satiety. Black coffee is minimal in calories, lipids, and caffeine, and it works well to keep your stomach satisfied for a long period. 5. Vegetable juice for fiber intake. Vegetable juice is one of the healthiest drinks for weight loss. Vegetable juice, made with the goodness of a variety of vegetables such as spinach, carrot, lemon, beetroot, and others, is packed with several health benefits. 6. Grapefruit and cucumber juice to feel hydrated. Grapefruit and cucumber juice is the simplest of all the weight loss drinks you can make at home. This miracle drink helps you detox while also keeping you hydrated, which boosts your body's energy levels. 7. Water, honey and cinnamon drink to detox. The magical combination of water, honey, and cinnamon can help you lose weight, especially if you drink it on an empty stomach. By eliminating toxins from the body, this super drink boosts metabolism while also lowering calorie intake.